Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I'm listening to some news. It's lunchtime. It's lunchtime and I came to Savannah specifically to withdraw some money because I don't even want to pass by the mall in the afternoon, because like in winter time is very expensive. The sun goes down like as soon as it can. So I wanted to come here to buy some lunch and withdraw some money. I forgot to draw some list for groceries. That will be done when tomorrow, I think. Yeah, when I arrive home I'll draw some grocery list and do it tomorrow by lunchtime. I don't want to, like, my grocery this month, it's going to be different because I have some project going on. So only the basics. Anyway, I only do the basics. Which one is the basics? My groceries are around 2,600, including the maid. So I'm thinking it's going to be less because already I have toiletries going on there, or there's still enough, I think. Yeah. So I'm going inside the mall. I'm not going to take time because it's cold. Hi guys, welcome to another segment of this video. I am going to share with you some toiletry that has been like in a car for the whole month, like moving with it every day. I think I'm having a habit of not unpacking things from the car, especially if I'm not using them. So yeah, let me share with you what was in my car for the whole month, and I'll be sharing again a little bit of grocery that I bought, the basics one that I told you about. But anyway, I have unpacked it already. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth. So let's get down to the groceries. I was traveling with a doom and some pads, 2 of them. I bought these lacs, they were 4. And I bought 2 of the Stay Soft Diving Cold. Then I have a Colgate Herbal. I have again an Aquafresh Intense White Herbal also. So I have changed to buy this. I was just trying. I changed and bought this lavender fragrance, which is for the first time that I'm going to use. I don't know how it's gonna go about, but I will tell you the results. So I bought 2 of them, and this ones I bought 2 of them also. And from this pack also I had a sunlight lavender powder, washing powder also. So this is what I've been traveling with in my car for the whole month, guys. And among the basic groceries, which this is not basic, it's every week. So I got some bananas, I got some pears, I am enjoying them. I have these apples, and this is a lemon, not lemon, nari, swiri. Then I have oranges, they were 30 rands. I have some tomatoes, the onions, and the potatoes down there. Potatoes I didn't even unpack from the plastic because I was lazy. As I'm recording this video, I am also cooking, and this side I'm having this menatana. What is in here is it's only water and stock. So forgive me from talking from in the cupboard. I bought a salt. I use pink salt. And down here I have fish, tin fish, which were 2 in number. And I downgraded in terms of prices I bought Lucky Star corned meat. I bought 2 because these ones were affordable. This thing is finished. Then I bought Archer and some soup there and some Nola. This is what I bought from here. Then the things that I have already unpacked is the maize meal and the rice. I bought 5 kg. Guys, I told you I am going to buy small packs of things because I have things going on in terms of money. I'm financially challenged this month, so I hope you got you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I've been taking care of my plant. It was given as a Mother's Day gift. It's been growing so well, even though I don't think it's breathing. I think it needs some fresh air, but it's growing so well. It's gonna come out of this bottle, so I love it so much. It's from my daughter. They made it at school, guys. The noise outside, people are working, so please forgive me for that. I love it. I just took care of it like that. So I need to wipe my cupboard a bit. I think it's nice.